Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to replace this LEVOIT HEPA filter. So this is the LEVOIT Core Mini HEPA filter. So up here you may notice the light, your filter change light is coming on. It may be red flashing at you. I'm going to show you how to change it. When we're done changing it, turn it on. You're going to hold that little thing until it resets. It takes about 5 or 6 seconds and then that's going to reset. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to turn it off. Now you're going to simply turn it over. There's a big handle here. You're going to turn it counterclockwise while you hold this. Turn that. Now here is the filter. Now this should be replaced after 6 months, but there is a pre-filter that you want to clean about every 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. So see that paper on the outside? You can just vacuum that or blow that off real quick and then put this all back together. But again, after 6 months, you should replace the entire filter. There is some activated carbon in there, and there's HEPA filtration in there. So you're going to make sure and take the plastic. These filters come with plastic on them. Take the plastic off, and you're simply going to slide it in here like this. Take this, rotate it. You'll hear kind of a little click. Turn it on, hold the button to reset the filter reminder. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.